Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you how to extract the data for systematic literature review. In order to perform systematic literature review, you need to have a database and search words. Those search words will be related to your research question and the topic. So as you can see here, there are multiple databases and each databases are relevant to different academia fields. For example, Medline is only for medical fields, and as you can see here, the description on the right side. So in our case, in general, mostly people use Web of Science. So you need to have a words. For example, we are looking for Spanish flu. So now we want to add another row, and we also want to see the COVID-19 articles. On the left side, you can see there are options and or not. If you use the and option, it means we are giving the command to the database that we need all those articles in which the authors have discussed the both words Spanish flu and COVID-19 at the same time. And if we use or, we are giving the command that we don't care about whether they are used in the same article, but we need those articles in which people or the authors have been discussing these two separately, like or in a same article. So now we are going to search by using or, because in the end I'm going to show you how to extract, and based on your research topic and requirement you can use and or. So it takes some time. So see on the left side you can see the database is giving us 60,441 articles, and you can use different uh, filters based on your requirement. Like if you have specific requirement that you have to have a certain amount of years, or like, then you can see. So it takes time, like the database is heavy, so it take time. Like for example, here you can see that each year how many articles were published on these. So in 2020, 59,000 articles were published, and that's a lot. So we will go back, like based on your filtering, and also you can use other filters like highly cited on the left side, if you can see, and what that journal, or like whatever the organization. But our main goal is to find and to export that data file. So now in order to export, you are going to click export, and it is going to ask you which form of file you are looking for. In order to export in Excel, you can go in Excel, but we are looking only for the bib and the text. In order to export in the bib, you go into the other file formats. Now you have to, so okay, Web of Science is not going to allow people to export more than 500 files. So you just click here, select full record and cited references, and then below you have to click on the bib text, and then you export, and it will take some time. As you can see on the left, yes, so it's downloaded, you can see below. Now if you want to export the text file, go again, click here, record from 100 to 500, and you can change that figure, but you cannot cross the 500. And I will tell you how you can download all 60,000, but it depends on the limits or which is implemented by the institutions, because every institution has certain limit that you can download of certain amount of data. So well, you can download. In order to download the text file, this is a tab delimited win, you need this kind of file. So when you export, it's a simple matter, like you can export and it will also give you. It just takes 40 to 50 seconds. Yes, you can see here. Okay, now if you want to go into, if you, for example, if you want to download more than 500, so how you are going to do? You are going to write 501 to 1000, and then you will export, and then similarly you will go to 1001 to 1500, and you can download as many as you can according to the limit you have. But if you want to export the Excel file, so you have to click on the more. Once you have used, uh, you have downloaded the bibtex and win file. Now for Excel, you have to click on more, and now you can download the Excel file from here. And it's a simple matter. You just click the same, and the rest is the same matter, like full record and everything. So this is the whole procedure to download the data from Web of Science. Thank you.